How to get a ChatGPT Plus. Hello and welcome to our channel Login Science. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. Go to your browser and search for chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in, make sure to log in, and once you reach the interface as shown on the screen, on the left side you can see this option called Upgrade to Plus. Go ahead and click on it, and then you can see this upgrade plan option right below the ChatGPT Plus. Click on it. Then you will reach this new page as shown on the screen. Here, just enter your card information, name on the card, billing address, and finally agree with their terms of use and click on subscribe. And that is all you need to do in order to upgrade your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus. And now you can have more fun and experiment a lot with GPT-4. Anyways, this is how you can upgrade your ChatGPT to ChatGPT Plus, or how you can get your ChatGPT Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.